Hey guys, welcome back to another session of using technical analysis to find high probability trading setups. All right, so today we're looking at dollar CAD on the daily chart. And the thing that I want to highlight is that dollar CAD has traditionally failed to close above this level over here, right? So you see many times in the past, it has failed to close above this level, right? And this is the key level which we are looking at over here, right? You can see every time price kind of goes up and tests that level, right, it kind of reverses down, right? So I highlight this as one of the key levels to look at. Okay, the good thing, right? The good thing is that price has recently closed above this level on the daily chart. So that coupled with the what we're seeing as a little bit of a ascending trend line over here, a little bit of bullish momentum, it could be the impetus to suggest that a bigger breakout might be coming. We can see that the Ichimoku cloud is supporting it quite nicely too. And the potential for price to go up here, right? It could likely go up to the 127 or, 127 or the take projection this way, take all fibs. Yeah, 78.6. So this will be the key level that we are looking for price to kind of inch up to. Okay, this area over here. Okay, so if this area over here, so if I were to put a level, right, I'll put this as my take profit, right? We got enough of a bullish momentum to play the push up from here, so I'm going to put this as my entry, right? And our stop loss, we can keep our stop loss. What I like to do is I like to keep my stop loss really tight, right? So we should not be seeing price go down below here. So you want to be safe, you can put it over here, right? For a very nice risk to reward kind of setup, right? For a very nice risk to reward setup to play the bounce up to the 130.63 area. Okay, so that's it for me, right? Remember, stay safe, trade safe. Tune in again tomorrow for more high probability setups using advanced technical analysis. Thank you, guys.